Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started. Yo! What's going on, everybody? What's going on? What's going on? Another day, another 19K. I feel like, remember we used to say another day, another 40K? Now it's another day, another 19K. Let's jump onto the stream now. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Come on, man. Yo! Good afternoon, good afternoon. Jordan Camro. What's going on, guys? What's going on? So 19,700. We just saw Bitcoin wick to 19,579 for the second time today. Are we going to continue this to the downside, or is this it? That's it. You guys can see the title of the stream. Embrace the fear. Take the fear by the horns and take it. Okay? Take the fear and stuff it up the ass of the bears. Okay? But anyways, let's jump on in today. Let's not waste any time here, man. What do you guys think? You think we're going to continue down to the downside? You think we're going to get a bounce? Let me know in the chat before we start on this beautiful, beautiful Thursday afternoon. Tomorrow's Friday. Cheers to the freaking weekend. Hopefully we can get some green before the weekend. That'd be nice. You know, not necessarily that we need it, but holy moly, that'd be nice. Reversal candle. You know what it is. You know what it is, man. We talked about this morning. We're going to talk about it a little bit, but, you know, let's see if it plays out. We talked about this morning, but this is kind of, slightly what we talked about this morning, but that's okay. That's okay. Let's see. Bitcoin's dead. Down we go. Bring the beaches. Bitcoin's dead. Who sold below 20K? I bet a good amount of people in here sold below 20K, which, you know, maybe it works out for them. Maybe it works out for them. Who knows? But I bet a lot of people in here sold below 20K. Raise your hand if you sold any crypto below 20K. Be honest. Will anyone be honest in the chat? Will anyone be honest? Who did it? Who did it? What the heck? Come on, man. I did it. I sold Bitcoin below 20K. Well, I never owned it, but, if I did, I would have sold it. Why? Because it's trash. I only short Bitcoin. Guys, Bitcoin's not going to bounce. Don't listen to what Jordan has to say. It's going to keep going down, straight to 14K. No bounces, all right? I'll see you guys later. Peace. Thank you, Jabba. Anyways, let's jump into the stream, man. Why not? Let's jump into the stream on this beautiful Thursday afternoon. Are you nuts? Andrew, I sometimes am a little nuts, my friend. I am a little nuts, I guess you have to be a little nuts to be in crypto. I think a lot of us are nuts. Is there anyone in the chat that's not a little bit nuts? Let's be honest. If you got into crypto, you're probably a little bit tapped in the head, but that's okay. Why? Because most successful people are actually a little bit tapped in the head. Name me one person who is a successful person that's not weird or is a little bit off. Name one person. You can't name me one person, man. Why? Because normal people just try to be normal. Weird people try to be not normal, But anyways, I'm getting off topic here. Right? I'm starting to preach philosophy. Anyways, let's jump on into the stream, man. So this is the 15-minute time frame, guys. I'm not going to spend too much time on the 15-minute time frame. Right before the stream started, we had this, this little consolidation pattern. It broke to the downside. It did just get bought up. So, is this going to push us back up? We'll talk about it more on the hourly time frame, but we did just get a nice 15-minute reversal candle here. It did get dumped back down to the downside, got wicked straight back up, and now we're kind of sitting up here. So let's go over here. I love it. It's true. It's true. I mean, dude, I'm a little jacked up. I mean, I have to be a little jacked up to do this. Why you call my brother jacked up? He's normal. All right? He's normal. Don't make fun of my brother. If you make fun of my brother one more time, I'm going to come over there. I'm going to smack you right in your skull. All right? I don't want to hear it. Jordan's normal. Not weird. All right? Same with me. I'm normal. Nice, man. Look at you. Look at you. Who are you? Who are you? I love when Bob stands up for me. I love when Bob stands up for me, man. Anyways, let's go on to this chart right here. So this is what we were talking about this morning. Now, the first level of it has played out pretty well. Okay, now here's what we need to see. Okay, if this is to play out, so far so good. We actually did wick today. We talked about Bitcoin getting one more move to the downside if the BBWP, right? We looked at the 1 hour BBWP, right? We basically said if it crossed to the downside. Let me bring up the BBWP real quick. BBWP. Let me bring it up real quick. Here it is. So down here, guys, we said if this crossed while Bitcoin was getting a red candle or the stock RSI was coming back to the downside, we should expect that move back down to the bottom of this pattern and also the 786 retracement. And that's what we saw. Bada bing, bada boom. We got that move right down to perfectly wicked to 19.5. All right, perfectly wicked to 19.5. So we had the first level of it playing out, right? We went down to the bottom of this falling broadening wedge, and we also had the move down to the 786, which the 786 is about 19,420 or 30, pretty close enough. You guys get the point. So that first move played out. Now, if we want to see this continue to play out, we need to see that reversal back to the upside. And I know all you guys are going to yell at me and say, Jordan, there's no way we're going to pump. I get it. Everyone's bearish right now, and that's what happens when you get down to I'm gonna say a bottom, but when you get down to a support level, everyone loves to be bearish at support, man. It's one of the most common things I see in crypto is everyone's bearish at support, everyone's bullish at resistance. Okay, at resistance. Now you know me. I flipped bullish, I flipped bearish over the course of time here. Right now we are coming to the downside, but I think there's still a good chance that we get a rise back up. I could be wrong, but I'm going to play the percentages here. As Bitcoin is coming down, 19,666. So this is still valid as long as Bitcoin stays above 19,400. If Bitcoin drops below 19,400, well, there goes that. There goes that, and we're probably looking back down here towards 18,500, which is the previous low. So, hey, man. Let's see if it plays out, but here's what I'll say. Here's what I'll say, man. We go back to the daily chart. You guys can do what you want to do. Maybe we break to the downside here, but I I like to play the percentages, okay? I'd rather long at support, where we bounced 4 times in the past, than get uber bearish at support. Maybe it breaks and maybe you lose that one, but it's all about playing the percentages, man. We're at support. You got 1 support here. You got 2 supports. You got 3 supports. You got 4 supports. Bitcoin's coming back down to test that support again. All right? I got to play the percentages here. All right? You guys can come at me, hate me all you want. All the pencil necks will come in here, and that's fine. That is totally fine. Hold on. Where's my pencil neck? I think I lost my pencil neck guy. Where's my pencil neck guy? Pencil neck, where are you? Pencil neck. Pencil neck. No, not you, you weird freaking Polish. You Polish Travis girlfriend. Get out of here. Not you. Where is our pencil neck, man? Hold on. We got to find the pencil neck guy. Hold up, guys. Pencil. Neck. Pencil neck. Hold on, man. Oh, here he is. There's no way we're going to pump. No, Jordan, there's no way we're going to pump right now. Were we a bearish to CCPI? There's no way we're going to go up. There's no way. We are bearish. There's absolutely no way. You're such an idiot. You're such an idiot. We're going to dumb. We're super bearish right now. I know we're going to support where we bounced before, but we're bearish. Super pencil. Anyways, I know everyone will come in and say that. That's okay, man. That's okay. I don't mind going against the general sentiment here. It's quite fun to me. I like going against the sentiment a little bit. It's fun because everyone in the chat starts saying, "You're an idiot. You're an idiot," and it's fun. It is fun. I embrace it. I embrace the going against the sentiment, man. Anyways, this Bitcoin come down a little bit lower first, like we said, 19,400 or so. Could come back down here, but listen, anywhere in this range here, to me, is a place where I would add. I would add, okay, and I'm gonna rock it from there. At least for a short-term move up. I'm still looking for Bitcoin to come up and have a short-term move to the upside. It might not be to the moon, right? We might not go to the moon here. I don't think we're gonna go to the moon here until at least next week where we get the FOMC meeting. You know, I think we're gonna pretty much go sideways here, in my opinion. I told you guys that, but I am still looking to come back up and take this 4-hour vector candle here. It's taken longer than we're expecting, right? We're just dumping down to the downside, but I'm still looking for this to come back up and take. And I will tell you, right? I will not be getting bearish at support. You won't be seeing me doing it, man. You won't be seeing me doing it. If we break it, well, percentages broke. It happens. Just like a falling wedge breaks to the downside sometimes. Just like a rising wedge breaks to the upside sometimes. Sometimes it doesn't work out for you. But that's where we're going with here. Still think we got to bounce back up to at least take some of this liquidity, wreck some of these shorts first, and then come back down to the downside. All right? So my point still remains. See if it plays out, right? And maybe I'm wrong. Who knows? I've been wrong plenty of times in my life, and I'll be wrong again at some point in the future. But I'm gonna stick by my guns here, man. I'm gonna stick by my guns. You see the guns? You see them? We're gonna stick by the guns here. Say it. Let me see what you guys are saying here. Trusting a guy in a cutoff? Bro, what someone wears does not matter, man. Does not matter what someone wears. It's delicious, delicious. Bitcoin 50K by November? Could be. We're talking short-term move right now, but I got in the middle of saying buddy and brother. Okay, buddy and brother. You ever got in the middle of saying 2 words differently? I do that all the freaking time, man. All the time. We were looking at that vector to the left for the next 2 years. Here comes Clint, man. Here comes Clint in the chat. I love when Clint comes in the chat and starts talking shit. That's my favorite part of the stream, man. Hold on. Where is he? Here he is. Jordan! Screw your vector candle. Your vector candle doesn't mean shit. It's a friggin' candle. Like, if Bitcoin wants to dump, it's gonna dump. Guess what, buddy? You need people buying to go up. No one's buying that shit right now. The world's in shambles. Everything's about to crumble before our eyes. And you think we're going to pump? My God, man, what an idiot. What a freaking idiot. Him and his vector candle. Oh, Christ. I don't know if I can watch this guy anymore. Oh. I love when he comes in. Excuse me. But no, I'm going to stick by my guns, man. Let's see if it plays out. I don't know if it will. I'm still pretty confident in this move, man. I think everyone is. Here's the deal, man. Guys, let's keep it real. Can we keep it 100 real quick? Can we keep it 100?
Rant
alert. Right? For a long-term move, who the hell knows what's going to happen next? No one knows. No one knows. But here's what I know about the market. Okay. When everyone's super bearish at a level where we bounced from multiple times, it's usually a good entry. When everyone's super bullish at a level that we've gotten rejected from multiple times, it's usually a good time to take profit. Usually. Not always, but usually. That's what I know about the crypto market. And I'm going to stick by it, man. I'm going to stick by it. I'm seeing many people, if not everyone I see in the chat is bearish right now. And that's okay. If you want to be long-term bearish, I respect it. If you think we're going lower, I respect it. And quite frankly, after Tuesday's CPI print, I would not be totally ignoring the fact that it's definitely possible we could go lower here. But I'm talking a short-term move, man. Talking a short-term move. Anyways, we'll see if it plays out. Once again, if I'm wrong, you guys can come at me. I love when you guys come at me. It's fun. I think it's fun, man. Anyways, 4-hour momentum indicators look good, right? Stock RSI bottomed out, looks good. Momentum waves look good here. You're still above the 786. Like I said, the invalidation for this is if we break below the 786 retracement, which is at 19.4. We broke below 19.4. It's probably going to look pretty ugly. All right, I'll say that right now. 19.4. We smack 19.4. It is going to look ugly. Dump it. Probably for the short-term chart for BTC. All right, most likely we're probably
Bitcoin's going to 10K.
if that's going to happen here. But anyways, we'll worry about that when we get there. You know, we'll worry about that when we get there. Let's see. Looking bloody. Pump starts soon all the way to the Tuesday. Well, we'll find out, man. None of us really know. No, we don't. All I know is we keep playing the range until it doesn't work, man. All right, let's go back to the 15-minute time frame. So 15-minute time frame looks like it wants to at least kind of settle here, right? 15-minute stock RSI is bottomed out here. And, you know, you might look at this and say, holy shit, this is super bearish, man. Looks like we're dumping to the downside here. Holy shit. Do you see the market right now? We're dumping right now. Embrace the fear. Embrace the fear. Take the fear in with the horns. You might be saying M formation. Holy shit. We're breaking down from M formation, right? Rise, retrace, rise, dump. Okay, breaking the neckline. M formation confirmed. I get it. I see it, right? I see it with my own two eyes here. I see it with my own two eyes. You guys see it with your two eyes? Because I do. I see this. I see this right now. But wait for the break in 19.4. Okay? Wait for the break in 19.4, and that's when you can start getting a little, antsy in your pantsy, you know? Antsy in your pantsy. For now, still going to look at this as a possible W formation. Okay? That brings you back to the upside. Call me crazy. You know, you guys love to call me crazy. It is what it is, but that's the way I'm looking at it. If we break 19.4, okay. That's when, like I said, that's when we come back down to the downside, all right? So 15-minute stocks bottomed out, 15-minute momentum bottomed out. Let's see what we got going on, all right? Let's see what we got going on. Keep your head in the game. Keep your head in the game. Let's wait 2 hours. We could wait 2 hours, man. You know what I'm saying? We could wait 2 hours. Oh, man, because, listen, like, how many times have we seen this before? And I'm not going to say this can't be the time we can't break down. You could easily break down here this time, okay? But how many times have we been at this point? Right here, everyone was bearish, calling for lower. Everyone right here, bearish, calling for lower. Everyone right here, bearish, calling for lower. Everyone right here, bearish, calling for lower. So until we break it, why is it not just going to be like the other 4 times we came down to the stupid range? All right? play the range. We break the range, okay, you get out. Or you do whatever you need to do. But until we stay above this, you play the damn range, man. Play the damn range. I'm passionate about this range, man. I hate this range. I want this range gone. But I love this range. I love this range, okay? And I'm excited to see what this range gives us here. I'm excited to see what this range gives us, man. No, guys, in my opinion, I think we're going to pretty much go sideways. Maybe slightly up, slightly down, but pretty much sideways until the FOMC meeting on next Wednesday, for the most part. So take that for what you will. But I think we hold this range at least till next Wednesday. Anyways, let's go back over to this. So real quick, just another little another little rant, okay? Another little rant. No, you guys say it. Love-hate range? Oh, it's a horrible range, man. It's a horrible range. Weekly time frame. Once again, man, a monumental move is coming within the next couple weeks. A monumental move. Okay, and I want everyone to be ready. Be prepared. Be prepared, because what do we know about typical Bitcoin bear markets? Okay, they usually take 1 year from the previous high. When was the previous high? November. Hold on. The week of November 8th. Okay, now this is something that we're speculating on. This is something everyone's speculating on. But if it's going to play out like the two previous bear markets, can we expect the bottom to come in within the next 6 weeks? That's exciting to me. It's exciting to me. Is it already in? Is it going to come lower? No one really knows. But what you can be expecting is a big move is coming, man. I'm not taking this lightly. When the weekly momentum gets this coiled up and gets ready for a freaking move, you better be prepared. Whether it's a massive move to the downside, which is definitely possible. I'm not going to sit here and say that lower is not possible, especially if Powell wants to keep effing us. Okay, if Powell wants to keep effing us, screw friggin' Powell. He's wrecking my Shiba bags, man. Nice, man, this old fart, man. I never fart. Like, oh my God, this old fart. He's raising rates. Just stop raising rates, you old fart. We want to go up. Shiba's crashed up at friggin' zero at this point. I'm fucked. All right, like, nice, man. God. No, a big move is coming. Whether it's to the downside or to the upside. What I'll say about this is that the direction usually goes in one direction that the market's currently going in. So when this crosses and you got a red weekly candle or something along those lines, you better be expecting that this is going to go to the downside. If it's green at the time, you better be expecting it's going to go to the upside. So be prepared. Like, once again, the last two times we had this is right here on April 22nd. This one led to a 60% crash for Bitcoin. Okay, right here, before we really started to capitulate below 40K, we got that cross on BBWP, we were gone to the downside. The time before that, where we were bottomed out on it, was October 20th, right before the Bitcoin bull market really started picking up steam. Right at about 12K, Bitcoin went from 12K to 69K, okay? A big move is coming. Be prepared for it. I'm not going to sit here and act like I know 100% which direction it's going to go, all right? Depends on where we are when in the next couple weeks. But I will be prepared for either direction. You better be prepared for either direction too. Be prepared for either direction, man. That's one of my biggest harps is I want to make sure I'm always ready for either direction because I don't want to be biased to one way. Okay? I will never be all in. I have dry powder on the sidelines in case we go lower. If we go higher, I'll be ready to take some profit if that's what I want to do. Be prepared for both directions. All right? And that's all you can really do at this time, man, because we are in a generally unprecedented time that a lot of us haven't been in our lives. I haven't been, at least as far as investing wise. Everyone that's in their, let's see, 08 was 14 years ago. So I would say this, everyone that is probably like 35 or younger hasn't been through anything like we're going through right now. The last time we've been through this is 08. So yeah, I mean, you haven't really been through anything like this as far as an investor, right? So, man, we are in an interesting time in our life. So either this is going to be the opportunity of a generation or it's going to be the time that you missed out on everything. It's going to be one or the other. So it's all about what you make of it, right? What's ETH doing? Let's go check out ETH. So ETH, what's ETH doing, man? Dumping right now? Let's see. ETH is still coming down a little bit. Let's go check out ETH. You guys are like, George, shut the hell up, man. All right, anyways. Ethereum, what are we doing? So ETH actually broke the 786 retracement. I didn't want to do that necessarily, but at least what's good about that, if we look left, well, at least what's good about that is ETH actually had liquidity looking left over here. You see these vector candles over here? You see these vector candles right here? Everyone says ETH is going down. No, Teju, I didn't think it was actually going to pump, man. If you go back to the stream, I said it might have a little bit of a run up and then dump, a pump and then dump. I didn't think it was actually going to go to the moon, man. Come on. Go watch the stream from yesterday, man. Anyways, back over here. You had these 3 vector candles looking left, all right? 3 vector candles looking left. The good thing about this is you actually were able to come back down and take this vector candle looking left. So at least you got that one out of the way. You don't have to worry about it. Now, once again, everyone's getting super bearish at this point when you're right at support. It's what happens every single time. If Bitcoin can hold this range, you gotta hope that even though ETH did break from the 786, it's gonna hold this range. Now, let's zoom out just a little bit. So there goes that 4-hour vector candle looking left. Okay, right here. And the daily time frame, let's zoom out. I mean, the daily looks a little shady. Let's go to let's bring up the RSI real quick. I want to see if we have any bullish divergence yet. No, not yet. No bullish divergence yet on the RSI, unfortunately. I wanted to say, okay, we got bullish div. Maybe we can get a pump there. The daily's not showing anything, right? You still got higher highs or higher lows on the RSI and higher lows on the price action. So 0 bullish div, at least on the daily time frame. 4-hour pretty much probably doesn't have much either. Let's see. Let's go to maybe the 12-hour time frame. Let's try, maybe something has bullish div. 12-hour doesn't. 8-hour doesn't. Yeah, I mean, no time frame has bullish divergence yet, which is nuts. Yeah, I'm actually surprised about that. But yeah, man, the daily looks a little iffy, and you got to sort of, when it comes to altcoins, sometimes you gotta look at BTC. So I would say the level you want to hold for Ethereum, man, is these right here. These right here, man. George, listen, man. Hold on. Where is he? Come on, buddy. I am George. We're all George. So, guys, did you see what's happening with the Ethereum miners right now? So Ethereum just went from proof of work to proof of stake, but for some reason, all the Ethereum miners are not mining Ethereum anymore. Can you guys believe it? I have no idea what's going on with Ethereum right now. No idea what's going on with Ethereum. It's absolute madness right now. But here's what I'll say about Bitcoin right now, guys. We are still super bullish, okay? Nothing's changed in the macro. The fundamentals are great. We're seeing so much institutional adoption, even though one major company hasn't bought Bitcoin in over a year and a half. We're seeing a lot of institutional adoption. We're seeing countries adopt Bitcoin, even though we haven't seen a country adopt Bitcoin in over a year. There is so much adoption going on around the world right now. We are so bullish right now, guys, okay? So continue to DCA, continue to hodl, and yeah, let's do some Q&A. Here we go. Man. Let's see what you guys are saying. Switzerland just adopted BTC? I'm playing around. My favorite thing is when everyone says, oh, there's so much adoption going on. Yet I haven't seen one big company publicly buy BTC in a year and a half. Anyway, that's besides my point though. That's my one counter argument. I'm bullish on crypto, but listen, we haven't really seen that much major institutional adoption, man. It is what it is. Mercy. I'm not answering that, said Matt. Nice, nice. Anyways, let's continue on. So, BTC still just chilling at 19.6. Like we said for Ethereum, man. This is really the level we want to see for Ethereum. Right here. Right here, man. So, we got one low. We got two lows as far as closes. Right there. So, we need to see ETH really just hold above 1421. I mean, that's the line in the sand here. That's the line in the sand because the daily does look a little shady, right? Let me get rid of this RSI here. The daily does look a little shady. Slightly shady, man. Slightly shady. So there it is. One, it's really this previous low. We want to hold that bad boy, okay? We break that bad boy. This bad boy ain't looking too good, right? And you maybe come for this big daily vector all the way back down here at 1200. All right, so we got to hope this holds for ETH, man. For all my ETH maxis out there. Where's my ETH maxis? Let me know in the chat. Vikings. Vikings. Come on, where are we? Where are we? Where are we? Vikings of Ethereum. We must hold 1423. If we break 1423, we are absolutely screwed for the short term. And we can see 1200 Ethereum at the very, very least. So continue to DCA. Continue to hustle. And spam the swords. And spam the shields in the chat. Or we are absolutely screwed here in the short term. Where's my swords and shields? Where are they? Oh, man. Oh, man, oh, man, oh, man. No swords and shields? Jordan will avoid big words, so keep it simple. Oh, yeah, 100%. You know I avoid big words. 1345. 1345. You could go down there, too. Could bounce from there. We got some swords and shields in the chat. Nice, man. Nice. Nice. Not today. Not today. There's no enthusiasm in the chat, man. Zero. Zero. Someone said, this guy's a clown. There he is. There he is. There he is. I was waiting for him today. You know, this is what happens when you go against the grain, man. People only like when you talk about what the market's doing currently. If the market's going down and you're bullish, you're a clown. The market's going up and you're bearish, you're a clown. Until it happens. Always, every time, man. Look at this guy. He's a freaking clown. He's so bearish. No, he's bullish, actually. He's bullish right now. There is nothing bullish. We are so bearish right now. We are at support. We're bearish. Do you see the market? We're screwed. We're absolutely screwed. You have to be bearish or you're a clown. Literally a clown. My favorite thing about crypto is people don't know how to distinguish between short term and long term. When someone thinks it's going to go up a little bit, it doesn't mean you think it's going to go to the moon, man. Holy moly, man. It's crazy. It's a crown world. Facts. Keith, what's going on, buddy? What's going on, Keith? I appreciate all your hard work, bro, homie. Keep it up. Listen, man, I come here and I share my thoughts, you know? I appreciate you guys for coming to watch it every day. That's what I appreciate. Seriously. The fact that you guys are still here through this dreaded bear market is awesome, man. I don't say thank you guys enough for coming in here and just hanging out during the bear market. These are not fun times to be here. I think, listen, can I do a quick rant alert real quick?
Rant alert.
These are fun times to be here. Because what a lot of people don't know is it's fun to get in crypto during a bull market. But listen, if you get in crypto during a bull market, there's probably a 99% chance you're going to get wrecked in the end. It's a fact. I got in during crypto bull market. I got wrecked the first time. How many of you guys got in during the bull market last year and you guys are down on your portfolio? I would say about 95, at least 95% of you guys in the chat. And that's okay. I was there too. That's what happens. The fun is getting here during these times, man. The fun is being here during these times. These are the fun times. You got to look at these are the fun times, man, because these are going to be the times that change your life when the market finally does come back. Whenever that is. We don't know when that's going to be, but whenever it is, these are the times you're going to appreciate you're here, man. These are the times that suck. They're gut-wrenching a lot of times, okay? because you just get fooled. That you get a pump, you get fooled, and it dumps again. You get a little optimism, and then it dumps again. Little optimism, and then it dumps again. And it just crushes your freaking soul. But these are the times that you are going to remember, man. Not the times you got into a bull market where you invested at Bitcoin at 60K, ETH at 4K. Those are not the times you're going to remember, man. These are the times you're going to remember. So what I mean by keep your head in the game is make sure you just stay in the markets. Doesn't mean you have to invest now if you think it's going to go lower, but make sure you stay in the markets and stay in the know. Don't lose interest in investing, because at some point you're going to want to invest in the next 6 months, okay? And the people that do, I think, will be the big winners in the next year, in the years to come, man. It's simple as that. Let's see. Pump and dumps all over the place. Yeah, it's true, man. Like, I know a lot of us are trolls and bears right now, but I think we're all here for the same reason. You know, we're all here for the same reason. We're all here to buy the cheapest crypto as possible and ride it up again. That's why we're all here. To keep it simple. Some of us might be bears, some of us might be bulls. But that's why we're all here in the end. So just remember that. All right, let's continue on. So, like we said, ETH, we want to hold 1423. At least I do. I don't want to see us breaking that. But as long as we stay above that, just like Bitcoin staying above 19.4, I think all is good in the world. If Bitcoin breaks 19.4, poopy. But if ETH breaks 1423, poopy. But that remains to be seen. Oh, man. Let's see. It's always funny because these bears are like a broken record. Oh, it's fine, man. It's fine. Come at me in 2025. The bulls will get the last laugh in the end. It might suck for a little bit longer, but the bulls will get the last laugh in the end. Anyways, Ethereum. What do we got going on here? So, Ethereum is, yeah, I mean, dude, listen. We talk about ETH breaking the bear market resistance band right now is going to be a tough task. Every time we go up to this, it's likely that's going to be the resistance point. You know, it was the first time at 2K, got rejected. It was the second time here at 1,700, 1,800. We got rejected, right? There it is. Bada bing, bada boom. So there we kind of sit below it again. Here we are. Here we are, man. Here we freaking are. Hold on. What's going on, guys? It's Becker. It's Becker. Becker. And guess what? Your mom calls me Woody the Woodpecker. Guess why she calls me Woody the Woodpecker? Why? Because my last name's Becker. And I pecked the shit out of her. That's why. Why? Because you live in your mom's basement. You probably heard us last night. You probably heard me pecking her. Why? Because I sold the Ethereum top. I sold at the bear market resistance band while you were buying at the bear market resistance band. That's what you were doing. You were buying at the bear market resistance band. I sold there. And now ETH is coming back down again. All right? Bitcoin's coming back down again. I'm going to continue to buy as the prices are going down and sell as the prices are going up. Unlike you idiots who keep buying at resistance and then selling every time we go back to support. Oh my God! Ah! No. I'm Woody the Woodpecker, bitch. I'm Woody the Woodpecker, bitch. I'm gonna buy your coins and dump them on you again. Because that's what I do. That's what a real man does. A guy who has a six-pack abs. Okay, and is rich. You want to be like me? Do what I do. All right, I'm out. Becker out, man. Oh, man. Look at my Becker. Woody the Woodpecker. Woody the Woodpecker. All right, anyway. What's going on here? I love the good vibes of the chat, man. You guys are a good time. You know what I love about you guys is you guys love to troll me in the chat. It's my favorite thing. I know a lot of you guys love to troll me to try to get my reaction. Some of you guys are pretty good at it, though. Some of you guys I look at in the chat and I see something, I'm like, damn, I want to make a comment on that. But I don't do it. You guys are really good. But at the end of the day, bro, it's always good vibes in here. Every day. Even during a bear market, man. It's awesome. All right, so... yeah, man. I mean, like we said for Ethereum, man, it's one of those things that, you know, I gotta wait to see what Bitcoin does to see what Ethereum does, because they're both at relatively the same points in the chart where they want to hold certain supports. They're at the same like closeness to that support. So once again, let's wait and see. Let's go over here. See what we got going. I don't know why all these like are loading like this. They're loading like a I don't even know, like a Mack truck. Total market cap. We actually dropped below the support today, but where we are now is this is actually big for total market cap, man. Look at where we are for total market cap. Just take a gander. Take a quick gander where we're at. All right. Just take a quick gander where we're at. This doesn't really matter anymore. It still does, actually. You had previous support there. Take a look at total market cap. I think this is actually the more important chart than Bitcoin right now. Why is it the more important chart than Bitcoin? Look at where we're at. Once again, this is, to me, this is make or break right here for total market cap. And this is the chart you want to pay attention to, guys, right here. Because if this one breaks this I don't know what this color. It's like a poop color, man. Look at this poop color box. Jabba, did you poop on the screen? No! I didn't poop on the screen! Jordan, that wasn't me! It was Bob! Blame Bob! That wasn't friggin' me! That wasn't me! Who was it? Who was it then? If it wasn't Jabba, and it wasn't me, who was it? Oh my god! Was it Horse Guy? Alright. No. But right here, man. So, mustard color. I'm still Horse Guy. Hold on. I'm still Horse Guy. Let's get rid of that. So right here. There was Melissa. If this breaks on total, do you gotta assume it's gonna come back down here, man? Look where we're at. 1 hit. 2 hits. Now we find ourselves right at support again. And this goes to the same point. If we want to see crypto bounce, and I'm not saying go to the moon. Don't take a bounce as going to the moon, man. If we want to see a small little relief bounce, okay, this is the place that you want to see it for the whole cryptocurrency market. Right here. 1, 2, 3. This is where you want to see the continuation to the upside. All right? This is the one point where you want to see it. If this level breaks right here,
Bitcoin's going to 10K.
and you're probably coming back down to this next support, which are these previous lows down here. This, to me, this chart is actually probably the one to look at, to be honest, because this will tell you everything you need to know. Total market cap is so neat. Like, look at how neat total market cap is. It's like you just got perfect little support resistance levels, perfect support levels. It's just so neat, man. It's so neat. So let's watch this. Once again, this kind of goes with my thought process as a small little relief bounce up. If we don't get it, well, it ain't going to be looking good if we don't get it there. That's all I'll say. That's all I'll say. Let's go back to BTC. Still holding. Nothing crazy, though. Nothing crazy here in the old little Bitcoin market. Let's see. Mouse Guy is an undeveloped character. Mouse Guy? Dude, Mouse Guy. What happened to Mouse Guy, man? I don't know. That's all I've been watching. Yeah, Siri. I mean, total market cap is great, man. Such a great chart to look at. What else we got? Let's look at the stock market real quick. Why not, man? Why not? Just kind of really looking at the stock market again. Joey, we don't care about the stock market, man. Like Christ, we're here for, this is a cryptocurrency stream. Oh God, man, like, shit. Good thing no one can see me. I love Jordan's stream. Let's look at the stock market now. Hey, Ma! Ma! Do we have any blueberry muffins in the fridge? No blueberry muffins? Well, I'm watching Jordan. You know I love my blueberry muffins while I'm watching Jordan's stream. Fine, give me a chocolate chip. There's one guy watching like that. It's gotta be someone like that watches the stream, man. If that's you, let me know. All right. So S&P. You guys don't care about the S&P, but you should. You should. If you've been in this market now, you should. What's the S&P looking like? Well, Horse Guy's a macroeconomist. Facts true. I'm a macroeconomist too, man. Don't you know? I am clearly a macroeconomist. I am. Everyone's a macroeconomist now. That's the funny thing about crypto. Isn't it so funny about crypto, guys?
Rant alert.
Crypto's hilarious, man. I am such a person who is like this too. Like, this is me too. Do you notice how no one gave a flying shit about anything that was going on as far as, anything other than crypto? Like, now everyone's a macroeconomist. Ever since the rate hike started, now everyone's a macroeconomist. Before that, no one gave a flying shit about any of that stuff. I am guilty. At least what this taught me is I've learned a lot of stuff over the course of the last year or so, which is awesome, man. Which is awesome. I've learned a lot of stuff that I actually didn't know about. So maybe it's a good thing that I learned about this stuff. But before that, no one cared about anything, man. Nothing. Zero. Zilch. The DXY is Dwight Howard. Yeah. All right, anyways. So the stock market. We're trying to hold this. Let's do a quick Fibonacci. Quick Fibonacci here. Can't confirm. Don't give a flying F. So swing low to swing high. Okay. Right here. So swing low to swing high. We are at. You guys sent us 2 super chats in, by the way. I'll check these super chats in a second. Appreciate those, guys. Give me 2 seconds here, though. So swing low to swing high. We are sitting right at the 618 Fibonacci, man. And this is also going into Friday. Let's see what the futures are looking like. The futures are red so far. Yeah. So actually, they're pretty deep in the red actually tomorrow. So here's the deal on the stock market tomorrow, guys. Is if this 618 Fibonacci level can't hold, man. If this can't hold right here, we demand mouse guy. God, man. All right, give me 2 seconds. We'll do mouse guy. 2 seconds. All right, 2 seconds. We'll do mouse guy. Okay, I promise we'll do mouse guy. But if we break the 618 Fibonacci, you gotta look for the 786, which. If the stock market dumps tomorrow, oh Lord, man, oh Lord, that would kind of throw a big monkey in the wrench. Is that how you say it? Monkey in the wrench for Bitcoin going into tomorrow. That would. But I would say wait to see if this can hold the 618 fib. If this can hold the 618 fib, and we could still get a bounce off the 618 fib, short-term bounce. We're not talking anything crazy. Short-term bounce, then that would allow Bitcoin to do its thing. But if this breaks tomorrow and we come back down here, Mouse Guy. I actually forget what Mouse Guy was. Hold on. Guys, I forget what Mouse Guy was, man. Hold on. Oh, here he is. Jordan! We're not... He does look like a mouse. Jordan! We're not gonna go up! Do you see the stock market? Do you see the stock market? Bitcoin's not gonna go up, man! Look at Bitcoin right now! Look at the daily chart on Bitcoin! We are bearish! We're on support, but we are so bearish right now! Jordan! There you go. It actually kind of does look like a mouse. Anyways, what the actual... That she does look like a mouse, no? No? What are you guys saying? What are you guys saying, man? DJ said, Jordan, you still holding Solana? Yes, man. Of course. Of course, man. Right now, these are the ones that I'm holding right now. Let's do a quick refresh on CoinMarketCap. It sounds like my nuts. These are the ones. Okay? BTC, ETH. I still want to get some BNB. It just hasn't really given me that entry yet. Cardano, Sol, Doge, Dot, Matic, AVAX, ETC, Link, Near. I'm now a Near, man. Come on. Come on.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Near. Man. Let's go down the list now. Let's go down the list. Yeah, a lot of these lower cap ones, I moved into higher cap ones, or into stable coins for now. Man, I gotta go down the list here. I think the next one was Gala. Yeah, Gala was the next one. Gala. Yeah, I moved a lot of these up into the ones in the top like 30, man. At least for now. Like, to me right now, is it the time to get into the super low cap ones? Probably not. But I will be looking at lower cap ones as we go along. But most of the ones are the top caps at the moment, man. Jordan dump Near. I would never dump Near, man. You think I would panic sell Near? Hell no. Hell no. Dogelon Mars. Oh, Matic. Yeah, Matic too. Matic. Can't forget Matic, man. I think I said Matic. No? Maybe I didn't. Who buys Gala? This guy. This guy buys Gala. If you know what I mean, man. Jordan Sailor Near. That's so true. That's so true. I did Sailor Near. Guys, I have an announcement to make. I am buying $500 million of Near. Okay, so get ready for the pump. $500 million in Near. I'm buying it right now. Get excited! Get excited! Nickel Sailor, man. Every time Sailor buys, we dump, man. Every single time. All right. So we looked at the stock market. DXY kind of just continues to hold the line here. Hasn't broken the previous high yet, but it's probably going to come. I mean, I would say it's probably likely this breaks the high again. Kind of like we said with Euro, right? The Euro's at support, but it has a little leeway to the downside. Still think that the DXY's got a little bit higher to go here, at the very least. I wouldn't be surprised to see it hit, 112, 114 range. A little bit higher here in the DXY, at the very, very least. At the very, very least, man. It all comes down to me, like what happens with the Euro USD. So right now it's holding that one psychological level. The question is, will it continue to hold the one psychological level? If it does, awesome. I don't think a lot of people are looking at that, man. A lot of people aren't looking at Euro USD, and I think they should. Look at the weekly on this. So far, I mean, we kind of just been plummeting down, but this is the level we want to hold, man. The one psychological level, and level we bounced off of multiple times. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Has a little bit more leeway to the downside. If it wants to dump a little bit more, which means dollar can come up a little bit more. But nevertheless, that's the level I'm looking at for the dollar to get topped out. Is right around this range, which should happen within the next couple months. Could take a couple months still, okay? It could take a couple months for this to still play out. So take it for what you will. Let's see. Where's the... Let's see. Is that an Adam and Eve? Let's see. The Adam and Eve. The Adam and Eve? Who the heck is Adam and Eve? Jabba, who's Eve? Oh, no one. Don't worry about Eve. Don't worry about her. She's Adams. She's Adams. Jabba? Who is this girl? Who is she? Who are you talking to? You talking to me? I'm Jabba's new girl. He met me in Poland. No, girls, don't fight. I love you both. I love you both. Come on. I'm rich enough for both of you. Come on. Hop on daddy's lap. Come on. I'll show you girls a good time. Come on, girls. All right. Anyways, I'll get near at 40 cents. 40 cents for near? I wouldn't be a very happy camper if near went to 40 cents, Bitcoin's probably at 3K at that point. Anyways, BTC. Let's check out BTC. Let's see. So 1657. Still chilling like a villain right here. We got the daily close coming up in 7 minutes, by the way. If Bitcoin closes right here, I actually consider that a good thing. Why would I consider that a good thing? Well, the hourly wick here, you have this hourly wick. If you close here, could you just be taking that wick? We'll find out in the next episode of the daily or the hourly close, if you know what I mean. You can't unsee that. Daddy's lap throw up face. Oh, Lord. One thing I don't like, though, guys, real quick. One thing that I don't like, let's go through a couple altcoin charts. Let me look at some of these super chats, and then we'll go over to the altcoin charts. Warwick's Finest said, what's up, OG, triple OG? Life's been super busy, but still believe in you in crypto. You and I, everyone in this room, loves you. Well, appreciate you, Warwick. That's nice of you. I don't know if everyone in the room loves me. Is there anyone in here that doesn't love me? Anyone? I mean, there's probably a few of you guys. And I wouldn't blame me. I'm a little weird. I'm a little kooky. By the way, how's Sea Rocket? I haven't looked at Sea Rocket in a hot minute. I think I still own Sea Rocket in some wallet somewhere because it honestly was more expensive to sell it than it was to just hold whatever's left in there. And hopefully one day it goes back to the upside, you know? But Sea Rocket, man. Oh no, that's Sea Rocket. No, I'm talking about Spank Chain. Remember Spank Chain? Holy moly, man. No? One thing I don't like is Chainlink's pumping. Guys, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. What do we know? Quick rant alert, guys.
Rant alert.
What do we know when Chainlink's pumping? When Chainlink's pumping, we know Bitcoin, a big old Bitcoin dumping is probably coming. It's a tale old as time. A lot of you guys won't understand what we're talking about here. But if you've been following this channel forever, we know that when Link pumps without everything else, a Bitcoin dumping is upon us. It's facts. Like I hate to say it, but Chainlink on my watch list right now, everything is down at least 3%, but Chainlink is pumping right now. That's usually not a good sign, man. If Chainlink's pumping, Bitcoin's dumping. I gotta respect it. It's like such an arbitrary thing, but I gotta respect the Chainlink pump, man. You know, I gotta respect it, man. But no, right now, actually, Chainlink, real quick, Chainlink actually is doing a little W pattern here, which I told you guys I don't really like that. Yes, I like it for my Chainlink holdings, but I don't like it for Bitcoin's sake. I would rather. This is sad, but I'd rather Link do nothing and not pump because usually that's a good sign. Adam was up. Yeah, so right here, guys, I mean, Chainlink does have a W pattern. Once again, is that a good thing without the rest of the market pumping? No. I don't know. Can anyone explain to me why Chainlink does this? Has anyone looked into this before? Like, why? It's a fact. We all know this. It's like Chainlink is like the evil coin. I don't understand what it is. It's like the bear market coin, man. In the previous bear market, Chainlink went nuts to the upside. It was awesome. In the bear market last time, in the last bear market, it was like the only thing that actually gained value in the previous bear market. It was awesome. It's kind of like the evil coin now, but it has a little W pattern here. It's breaking the neckline. You know, can Chainlink come all the way back up to take the rest of this vector candle up here? Actually, I would probably say will get rejected here at the bottom of this inverse head and shoulders neckline. Could just be a quick back test, right? So 765 is probably where I see Chainlink getting a little bit of resistance there. A little bit of resistance, I'll say. Let's see. Link and Atom. It's like the store of value Oracle coin. Facts. It's for balance. When Link's staking. Oh, link staking. When link staking. I don't know. It's a good point, though. Chainlink's one of the ones I've been holding forever, man. I've been holding Chainlink forever, man. Anyways, let's go back over here. So, what else do we got? What else do we got? Oh, I was supposed to look at other altcoins. Jordan, I think we should look at the ETHW later for fun. It's the first day. Teju, I got you, buddy. I got you, man. I got you. I got you right now. Hold on. Where is he? Where's my homie? Shit. Where is he? Where is he, man? Shit, man. Where's my homie? Fuck, dude. I lost him. No way, man. Dude, that's the worst. It's literally the worst, man. Anyways, but it's besides the point. Does Savvy know why Chainlink dumps when it happens? Savvy. What's going on, guys? It's Savvy. Thanks for joining today's stream today. Guys, I know why Chainlink dumps. I know why Chainlink pumps, the rest of the market dumps. I know why. Why? Because I know everything. I'm a genius. All right? This is why I'll tell you exactly why Chainlink pumps, Bitcoin dumps. Chainlink, whenever you see the Elliott wave come out, when you see the 1, 2, 3 wave, and then Chainlink starts that next wave, that's when the market dumps, guys. It's all about Elliott waves, and it all plays into the Amazon fractal that is going to continue to play out until Bitcoin gets to that 4K target that I have in 2023. Okay? So keep that in mind. The Chainlink pump is a sign that the next Bitcoin drop is coming. All right. Now, I'm going to be gone for a couple days because Bitcoin might get a small little rally. So I'm going to go on my fishing trip here while Bitcoin gets a little small upwards rally. I'm going to go on my fishing trip. Enjoy the pump, guys, and I'll be back when we dump. Okay? See you guys. Peace. Daily close. Oh, 1 minute. 1 minute to the daily close. So that's Chainlink. What else we got? Near. Near, man. Don't be breaking that wedgie. Don't be breaking the wedgie, Near. So I was looking at Near earlier, guys. I was watching for this trend line down here. You know I love my wedgies. Sometimes it is what it is. 68% of chance they break to the upside. This one depends what happens right here. Right, we are pretty much sitting right at support. Right, 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, 4 touches, 5 touches, sitting right here at support. So the question is, will it hold? Let's go back to BTC. So BTC closed the hourly right here. Let's see what happens here. So BTC closed the daily at a measly 1,700. It's like 19,000, 1,700 approximately. So there you go, man. Daily close. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Woohoo! Warning shots fired. Now let's see what comes next. What comes next? Is Bitcoin going to continue the dump to the downside? No, but Near's an interesting point. This doesn't look like it wants to play out, to be quite honest. This was speculation. Yeah, Near, let's zoom out a little bit. Let's zoom out. It should have some support here, though. Let's look left, because it's bounced from this level multiple times, right here. So it could come a little bit lower. Could definitely come a little bit lower here, because it's bounced from this level right here once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times. 7 times bouncing off this range right here. Can it do it again? Time will tell. Time will tell. And if my Bitcoin thinking goes into Near, I'm expecting this to also play out to the upside. If you know what I mean, man. If you know what I mean. So that's Near. That's Near. I mean, watch this level here, all the way down to about $4 even. The $4 psychological level is the level I watch. If $4 breaks, that's what I'm going to do. If $4 breaks, that probably means Bitcoin broke a key level, so probably wouldn't be too good. When 20,000, let's see, Friday chart now. Let's see. Cheap near. Fear and greed back at 20 again. Are you surprised? Oh, man. Are you really surprised, man? I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised. The biggest channel in the interwebs. Guys, today, I'm going to add on to my brilliant $1,000 to $100,000 portfolio. Because that's totally possible. Buying high cap altcoins. So let's jump on into it. So today, guys, I think I'm going to add a few altcoins to my portfolio today. So again, this is the portfolio. We're going to do $1,000 to $100,000. Totally possible in this current market. All right. Let's look at what we got right now. So let's look at this. So I think I'm going to add some Bitcoin. No, we can't add Bitcoin. That's too much of a high cap. Bitcoin's not going to do enough to get you to that $100,000 level. Let's add some Ethereum. It just got a big dump. Let's add some Ethereum to our portfolio. Okay, so let's add some Ethereum to our portfolio. Totally possible ETH can do 100x. Let's also add Matic to our portfolio. You know, a $10 billion market cap, totally going to do 100x. Let's add some Cardano. That's a good one. Let's add Cardano to our portfolio. Totally valid. I think that's going to do. And let's add some random altcoin that I own on here. There we go. Totally valid. All right. So that's what we're going to add today, guys. 1,000 to 100x, 100,000. Totally going to work. Totally going to work. All right, guys. I'll see you later. And about the trading challenge I said I was going to do. I told you guys I was going to do a trading challenge. I got wrecked in my last 3 trades, so I'm not going to be trading anymore. Apparently, it's not that easy to do in a bear market. Only in a bull market. It's easy to long. But that's all I got for you guys today. As always, peace out. All right. I don't know what he says at the end. Anyways, sand? Nice. What's going on, John? Good to see you, buddy. All right. Anyways, let's just drink this. Oh, man, 8:04, man. Today's stream's going by fast, bro. Holy moly, man. It's going by fast. When your head goes out of the shot for a drink, I always think you're going to come out back as Bob. You know how it is, man. Sometimes I could. Ready? What kind of portfolio is that? You want to do 100x? You want to do 100x? Buy Shiba. Not freaking Matic. I'm like, do you people even know how to make money? Meme coins make you rich. Not Matic. Look at me. I'm rich. Look at me. I'm rich. Mod, how many pieces of meatloaf do we have left? What do you mean only a half? What do you mean I was drunk and I ate 3.5 pieces yesterday? Ma, come on. Can you go to the store for me? All right. I'm done. All right. Anyways. BTC is still just hanging off a cliff, man. It's just kind of hanging out here. Well, let's see what happens next, man. Let's see. The whole market is sitting, waiting to see what big old BTC does over here, man. All right, so near, that's what we got for near. What else do we got here? So nothing else seems like it's really moving too much. Let's get Dot. Actually, you guys had some more super chats in here. Kennedy came with the super chat. Appreciate that, Kennedy. Keith came in. Appreciate you, Keith. Salim said, holy moly, I can't believe I'm still holding. Salim, I haven't seen you in a hot minute, man. I miss a lot of people that have been gone since the bear market, man. There used to be so many people that used to be here every day. They'll be back. They'll be back. As soon as the market turns back up green, they'll be back. That's what happened last time, too. But, hey, listen, man. You guys remember everyone who's been here for a long time, like I know a lot of you guys. DJ's been here forever. Dan's been here forever. Keith's been here forever. Who else in the chat's been here forever? Who else been here? Let's see. Who else do I recognize in the chat? If I'm looking at you and I don't recognize you, well, don't take it to heart, man. There's a lot of people in the chat a lot of times. Josh has been here forever. Chewy's been here forever. BRMC's been here forever. Let's see. Who else? Well, there's a lot of me. John Clancy's been here forever. Ride or Die. Keith Covey. Liam Fitzpatrick. A lot of you guys have, man. There's some old names. Knucklebuster. Robert. A lot of you guys probably just like, you're probably not that active in the chat anymore, and I get it. Our Vandelay. I remember you, buddy. Who's it? Anyone in here that used to be like very active in the chat? It just like kind of lurks now. Carrie's been here forever. DS. DJ Belly. Look at all the lurk. You guys all lurk now, man? Get back in the chat. No, it's okay. I get it. It's not that exciting to be in the chat at this time. I get it. No. All right, Dot. Let's go look at Polka Dot, man. Long time proof, said Shane. Nice. Keep forgetting to log in to comment. The disappointed lurkers. Dan said me. All right, anyways. Dot's right at support, too. This is on the 4-hour time frame. This isn't like a daily time frame thing or anything, but right here on Dot, you are currently sitting at a level, once again, you bounce from once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and 6 times. All right? You got your indicators that are pretty much shot at this point. Is this going to be the point where you start to come back up? And Dot is the same point. You're right at support, and you still got all this liquidity up here, man. Are they going to come back up and take this, or are they going to say, screw you to that thing? And they're just going to keep it coming down to the downside. It's up to the market makers, as we know. But this would be a point where, I mean, it's already started to bounce a little bit. See if it does. This would be a point where it's bounced from multiple times. You know? So for a risk versus reward, it wouldn't be a bad spot for me. You guys can do your own thing. Maybe not a long-term hold, but, you know, one that's an interesting play. Sol. Have anything on Sol? Yeah, so Sol still had this. So basically what Sol did here, pulled back to take this wick right here that we never came back down and took on the 4-hour time frame. Now, I would have liked this if they came in a little bit lower to come back down to the 786 retracement. It didn't quite come all the way back down to that. But it's kind of the same deal on Sol. Right? We just look kind of where we're at right now. Previous highs, trying to become the new lows. All right? Didn't quite come to the 786, but pretty close. Took that wick. Is that going to be the point where Sol creates the infamous W formation to come back to the upside? It's the question we're all waiting for, man. It's only going to happen if Bitcoin can do it. It's only going to happen if Bitcoin can do it. But it is at an interesting level as well. All right? SHIB. The Shibanichis. SHIB also at the slight deviation play. So this could just be a slight deviation play for SHIB too. Look at SHIB, man. Squiggy days? You were here from the squiggy days? Holy moly, man. Holy moly. Give me a high five, bro. Give me a high five, bro. You here from the squiggy days? Oh, you're my homie, man. Give me a high five, bro. Do you see my nipples? I take no steroids. Give me a high five. I promise I won't break your hand. Come on, man. Shout out to Squiggy, man. Come on.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Oh, man. The Squiggy days, man. That's awesome. No, but SHIB, same deal. 1 bounce, 2 bounces, 3 bounces, 4 bounces. You're back at that same level. You got a slight deviation below, right? A slight deviation below. Is that going to be the deviation play where then it comes back to the upside? We'll find out. But also SHIB's also at an interesting level. A lot of alts are at interesting levels, all right? Let's go look at BTC. Still chilling. BTC's being a little snail, as we like to say. So we looked at Link already. Link is trying to move up. Looks like it got a little bit of toppy there. Link. What I hope for is Link stops pumping, because when Link pumps, that's not a good sign. AVAX. Look where AVAX is, man. Man. The thing about these levels is you don't want to break these levels, though. Here's AVAX on the 4-hour time frame, right? 1 low, 2 lows, 3 lows. Okay? You got your 4-hour momentum, bottoms out, trying to cross back up. You're at a big level you don't want to break for AVAX here. All right? So, once again for AVAX, like, do you play the support, or are you on the assumption that it's going to smack to the downside like this? I mean, it's all about risk versus reward, right? It's all about risk versus reward. So I look at this and go, okay, we're at support, and you guys kind of do what you want to do. What I'll say about AVAX, though, I mean, I've just got to keep this stuff simple right now. If that breaks, I mean, 1673. Probably looking at 1673 at the very, very least. Coming back down there for AVAX, man. 1673! Holy moly, man. That would be like Santa Claus. Ho, ho, ho! AVAX! For sale! Ho, ho, ho! AVAX for sale! Ho, ho, ho! Who you calling a hoe? Who you calling a hoe? You talking about me, Santa? Oh, man. I had to do it. I had to do it to Melissa, man. Ho, ho, ho. Holy bleach there. So, yeah. AVAX, also at a level you probably don't want to break there. Keep it going down here. Keep it going down. XR Pizzle. XR Pizzle my nizzle. Let's look at XR Pizzle my nizzle. So, all right. Let's look left over here. All right. So you got 1 hit, you got 2 hits, you got all this previous support looking left. Nutbeard the pirate. And you got once again, I mean, every alt is at a support you want to hold, man. It's just you need to see Bitcoin hold. It's so annoying, man. I hope at some point this market just says screw you to Bitcoin. I'm not going to follow you. You're telling me. But yeah, I mean, here's XRP. It finds itself right back at these levels that it's bounced from once, twice, like we said. I mean, multiple times here. It's a matter of, does it want to hold there again? If it doesn't, 31.1 cents is on the way for a little old XRP here in the short term. So, once again, a little wedgy. Maybe it plays out. I mean, it depends on BTC. Go back to BTC, 1657. Man, XRP. Let's see. The shizzle in the nizzle. The shizzle in the nizzle. My kizzle. I think everyone right now looks like this. No? Is this what you guys look like today? Who looks like this today? Who looks like this with seeing Bitcoin dump? Who looks like this? You shouldn't look like this. You know why? Because you're going to win 6 championships too. When the next bull market comes out, you're going to win 6 championships. Okay? You're going to win 6 championships. So have some motivation. He's crying because he won 6 championships. He's not crying because Bitcoin's dumping. No, he's crying because he went through the blood, the sweat, the tears
Rant alert.
of the NBA bear market, where he lost every year before he won his first championship. He got crushed until he got Scottie Pippen. And then he won 6 championships. And that's going to be you. Stick through the blood, sweat, and tears. Continue to be the GOAT. And you will be the GOAT. Okay? Come on. He's crying because he sold the bottom. It's gonna get hype, man. Now we gotta compete against that guy out on the water. We got a motivational speech, man. Michael Jordan giving you a motivational speech. Who would have thought? Only on my stream that Michael Jordan gonna give you a motivational speech. All right, here we go. Bitcoin. Oh lordy. Oh lordy. Here's the test, man. Here's the test. Like we said, we want to hold 19.4. Let's go back to the 4-hour chart. 19.4, which is the 786 retracement. See what Bitcoin wants to do here, my friends. Let's see. Let's see. I'm sure ETH is getting pounded right now. ETH is getting pounded right now. Pounded. Pounded. But you know what you can do? If you guys want, if you want to trade, thanks for jumping back into the moon. Guys, if you want to make money like me, use my Bybit link down below where you can short Ethereum just like I'm doing right now. I shorted ETH on the merge and I am absolutely killing it right now. So if you want to use my Bybit link, guys, you can use my Bybit link right down below. $4,100 bonus if you sign up now using only my link. Okay, my Bybit link is right in the description. You'll find it right in the top. You'll see Bybit, $400 bonus. Sign up using my Bybit link and no one else's Bybit link, just mine, okay? Sign up using my Bybit link. My Bybit link, 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 my Bybit. Carl! I'm not gonna use your link! I already used Cryptos. I'm not using your goddamn link. Ugh. All right. Anyways, 1454. So ETH, we want to hold 1423. All right, 1423. Come on, ETH. Come on, ETH. Let's see what we got here. So Bitcoin's still holding up. 19.4 is the level to watch for Bitcoin. If 19.4 breaks, boop! Ethereum. Same thing. 14.23 breaks, whoop! We're coming back down. And that's where we're watching right now, man. Let's go back to BTC. So 19.6, Bitcoin is hanging off a cliff right now. It's cliff diving as we speak right now, man. We're a little cliff diving. 19.595. Let's see what we got here. Multiple projects said, do you ever rewatch your own content? Multi-projects. Why would I do that, my friend? Why would I do that? It's my stream. I can do whatever the hell I want to do here. If you don't like it, well, here's what I got to say to you, man. Here's what I got to say to you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. So 19.618. I hope you stay, though, man. I hope you stay. Listen, we have fun. You can watch anyone. Here's always my take, man. Why not have fun while you're looking at the charts? You can watch anyone out there. Newsflash. They have no idea what's going to happen either. You know what I'm saying? Like, they all might sound smart, but they have zero idea what's going to happen. Zero. It's an educated guess, but no one has any idea what's going to happen. You might as well have fun with it, man. Come on. Brain up a little bit. Have a little bit of a sense of humor. Laugh a little bit. Okay? Holy shit, man. Laugh a little bit, man. Holy moly. Holy moly. See you, man.
Rant alert.
Let's see. Let's see. We all dumping? Nice, dude. Why do I look so dark on the screen? Does anyone else see me looking dark on the screen? Holy moly. Let's see. All right, so 19.660. You said Crone used the best indicators. Yeah, I like Crone's crypto. Okay, I've been using the BBWP, dude. The BBWP is awesome, man. I've been starting to using that pretty recently, man. The BBWP is nice. It's nice. It's nice, dude. Like whenever you get the momentum and not the momentum, but volatility super, super low. Yeah, we've been talking about this on the weekly time frame too. Like a big move on the weekly is coming, man. It's coming. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time before we see this big weekly move. It's gonna happen within the next 1 to 2 weeks. It's gonna happen, man. All right, so BTC holding support. BTC holding support, my man. BTC holding support. Where's my mouse guy? Johnny, we can't pump. Johnny, there's no way we're gonna pump. There's no way. I'm selling Reddit support. I'm shorting at support. Yeah, because that's what works. I'm gonna short right now. Here we go, guys. I'm gonna short. Pump it. Wait, what? What? Oh, man. We'll see what happens. I'm trolling. We'll see what happens. I'm still sticking to my guns, though. I'm gonna stick to my guns until they don't work out, man. I stick to the guns until I work out. When I stick to my guns, it usually plays out. It's when I change my mind halfway through, and then it ends up playing out. I'm like, dude, why didn't I just stick to what I was thinking before? So we've been patient with this. The last 2 days, we've been patient with this. All right, so I'm still gonna stick to it. This is what we said we're gonna happen. We're dumping right now, but we talked about this morning. This morning, we literally said it was gonna come down to 19.5, which is literally what happened. Okay, it's literally what happened. Now we're at 19.7. Now we need to see the second part of it. We'll see if we get the second part of it. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, Jelly Bean? That thing needs puberty. Oh, man. Patrick said dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. There we go. Dump it. All right. Let's go back over here. So, yeah, we said BBWP. This is what I'm getting excited for, man. I know we're getting excited over these little short-term moves, and sometimes I get excited over little short-term moves. But this is... You guys excited for what's to come, man? I know you guys are going to say no. But do you have a little feeling in your gymborees? Not necessarily it's going to go to the upside. But are you excited for what's to come in the rest of September and October? I personally think that September and October are going to be super volatile, man. Super, super volatile. Whether it's to the downside or to the upside. I'm excited for some action because I told you guys, I am sick of this freaking range, man. We've been in this range since June. We've literally been in this range since June. This range sucks, dude. It's so annoying, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 weeks. 3 months and 1 week in this damn range. I'm excited for some volatile action because this was nothing, man. Holy moly. This bear market has been super boring as far as, like, it's just been pretty much dumpage. Like, even the bear market rallies have been pretty trash. Like, they've been pretty trash. Like, most people, you're not going to buy that wick, but if you did close to close, talking about 26% rally, and then if you did close to close, 30% rally, the bear market rallies have been trash in this bear market, man. I want to see some volatility, whether it's to the upside or downside. It's coming. It's coming. Drew said, bro, it's crypto. Yeah, Drew, you know me, man. I want action, okay? I want action. That's what I want. Your hair looks good today, sir. Thank you, Drew. Thank you, man. I did it right before the stream, actually. I was like, I gotta look purty for everyone today. I tried a little bit. Sometimes I don't try. Like, sometimes you could probably see me and I look like this. And you're like, dude, Jordan, you get hit by a bus today? Like, did you get hit by a bus today? Yeah, he's like, yeah, I did get hit by a bus. Who's bearish at support? Raise your hand in the chat. Who is bearish at support? I want to see it. Raise your hand in the air if you just don't care. Who's bearish at support? This range sucks. This range does suck. Does suck, man. 20K rating room? Who is bearish at support? Raise your hand in the chat. I want to know everyone in the chat, man. Let me know. Let me know. Looks like a sketch of a wanted of a wanted offender. That's great. That's great. 20K rating room. Who's bearish at support? All right. Oh man. Bullish, but on very thin ice. Oh yeah, fact. This could change very quick. This could change very quick. Go to the bunny house if you want action, dude. Clint, get the hell out of it. Go to the bunny house. Here comes Clint again. We might as well just make Mike Clint. Like, Mike should just be Clint now, no? Where's frickin' Mike, man? Hold on. There he is. There he is. Joey, you ain't so freaking bored, bro. Oh my God, this guy gets bored so easily. Christ, man, like, you ever seen the stock market and it barely moves, bro? Like, oh my God, like, I'm so old. I've been investing in the stock market for 50 years. You think crypto's boring? You get 10% moves like every day. This is not boring. There is so much volume in Bitcoin. There is no volume in what I invest in, which is gold. All right? God, man, like, this guy gets bored so easily. Oh. All right, there we go. Please check the DXY. Sure, man. I mean, there's not really much to say about the DXY right now, you know? I mean, it's in a parabolic uptrend. If you believe in TA on the DXY, which I don't know if I'm a big believer in TA on the DXY. It's going to do its own thing. If you're a believer in TA on the DXY, it does have triple bearish divergence. It has 3 higher highs and 3 lower highs on the RSI. If you believe in it, it's there. The bearish divergence is there. But the question is, do you believe in TA on the DXY? I don't know if I do. I don't know if I do. And like I said, I think the DXY has got a little bit higher to go here. I think it's got a little bit higher to go. All right, so 1977.60. And it's one of those things. It's one of those things like, it's at least going to 112. It's at least going to 112, in my opinion. It's still got a little bit higher to go. Dump it. Close out the bull flag that might break. Oh, the bull flag that might break. Let me get rid of this, by the way. Let me get rid of that. I'm bullish. Asia will bail us out. Hopefully, man. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? It'd be nice to be bailed out by Asia. They were pumping us when Bitcoin was pumping. That's what Asia was doing. They were pumping us up, man. They were pumping us up. You know what I'm saying? We gonna go up. We gonna go up. You know what I'm saying? We gonna go up. Your best bet. Your best bet we gonna go up. All right. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lordy, Lordy, Lordy. Let's wait back. Let's wait back and see this play out. I would love nothing more for this to play out, man. This would be great. This would be great. The pencil necks today. There's a lot of pencil necks today. You know? Scott said I bought Ethereum today. Nice, man. Nice, dude. I think ETH is at a good spot, too. I mean, it didn't quite come back down to this red box, but it's bouncing a little bit beforehand. Daily stocks have reset. All right, daily stocks are bottomed out now. Right, I know up here we were talking about, all right, daily stocks are topped out. They got the cross. The day they got the cross, it dumped. In hindsight, I think you got to respect daily. I got to do a better job at respecting the daily stock crosses, man, because they've been pretty brutal looking back in the past. Almost every time you get one, you get a dump. Almost every time. When you topped out in this daily stock crosses, that's when you start a dump. Almost every single freaking time. It's crazy. So let's see what ETH wants to do here. You reset your indicators now, and we'll see if we want to have another leg up. We'll see. We'll see. I'm skeptical of a major move up until next week, though. Until the rate hike announcement, because I think a lot of people are going to be scared of the 100 basis point rate hike, because if they come in next Wednesday with a 100 basis point rate hike, which is a small possibility at this point, but if they do, it's not going to be good. It's not going to be good. It's not going to be good, man. But they do a 75. I think it's going to be a nothing burger, in my opinion. Nothing burger. You're just probably going to chill out for a little bit. Why pencil neck? Up to 28K? I don't think until next week. Next week. If that's gonna, if we're gonna get any bullish momentum, I think it's gonna be. You could start it this week, but as far as like massive moves, up, probably next week. If you get what you expect. Crash it. It's been a good day, sort of. Nice, dude. It's been a good day today. Sure. I was tired today. Because the merge kept me up late and then decided to push itself back 2 hours. Piss me off in the meantime. Okay? Because I was like sitting up for like 30 minutes. Be like, do I stay up till 3 a.m.? It's kind of ridiculous. Like, ETH isn't doing anything right now anyways. It's kind of ridiculous right now. I contemplated it for like a half hour. Then I went to bed. Then I couldn't sleep at that point. And it was awful. It was awful, man. The ETH merge overall was a shit show. It was a shit show overall. You know? It is what it is. It is what it is. Let's see. What's a nothing burger? Oh, a nothing burger is when like it doesn't really affect anything. Life's gonna go on, man. Life goes on. Powell said he's gonna go hardcore now. Oh shit! When did he say that? I think he just said business as usual. No, because dude, if it's 100, yo. Oh man, yo. Fantastic TA. Dan said fantastic TA. Yo. We're back. Welcome back. Thank you, DJ. Thank you, thank you, thank you, man. Thank you. It's not the internet, man. It's not the internet. I promise. I promise it's not. YouTube's been playing games with the stream lately, man. It's only the night ones too. They've been messing around, like a little bunch of jackrabbits over there, right? Maybe because I keep talking shit about them. That's why. That's what I get. But no. So I mean, listen, Drew. I like this before the CPI where we had, this going on like this. And then obviously the CPI happened. Boop! We popped back to the downside. It could still play out. If Bitcoin can hold the line, I mean, I really, as long as it's and I'll continue to say this, as long as Bitcoin stays above 19,250 on the weekly, it's all good. It's all good in the crypto verse. Okay, now if Bitcoin starts closing panels below 19,255, dude, it's let's see. Can you guys hear me right now? Yeah, you guys can hear me. Don't be playing around, man. Don't be playing around. If it can still hold 19,255, it's still there. It's still possible. Right? It's still there, right? Boom, boom, boom. You just got to hold that level, man. And that's all it comes down to. And a lot of it's going to do with... You guys are trolling now. All right, you guys want to troll me? I'm getting out of here then. I'm just kidding. No, am I kidding? No. It's probably about that time anyways, man. It's about that time anyways. Bitcoin getting rejected off the 20 EMA. What's new? What's new in this world? Not much. Other than Bitcoin getting rejected off the 20 EMA. Again. Just like this price action up here. Boop, 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 dude. Boop, 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 dude. What's new? Anyways, guys. I'm going to call it a stream here. I'll catch you guys tomorrow on this beautiful Friday at 9:45 a.m. So make sure you guys are there. Don't do anything I'm going to do. Don't pay for crypto. Most don't pay for crypto. Let's see what Bitcoin does tonight. Before we go, what do you think Bitcoin's going to do? What's Bitcoin's next move? Let me know in the chat. All right. Before I go, Do you think Bitcoin sees, let's just do a quick thing. Do you think Bitcoin sees 20K? No, let's see. Do you think Bitcoin hits 21K or 19K first? 21K or 19K? Which one does Bitcoin hit first? Let me know in the chat before I go. I'm curious. 21K or 19K? Which one does it hit first? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know in the chat. 19K? 19? 21? 19? 19? 21? 19? 19? Most people say 19. 19. Okay. 19 seems like the general consensus here. 19K seems the general consensus. We, $3. All right. Anyways, guys. Catch y'all later. 19K seems like a consensus. Does that mean Jordan goes long? Well, I don't know. That doesn't mean I go long. I'm not in any trades right now. But later, guys. Peace out. Cub Scouts. Peace.